Us, welcome back after a long break. So we are again heading towards our drama book, that is the Merchant of Venice, where we were doing Act 4, Scene 1. The scene is quite lengthy, okay, and it's about to finish also. So we'll be going in a smooth manner, line wise, which is very important. So what we were reading out, that was a court scene, right? So court scene is very important in this drama book. Okay, so what we were saying, what we were seeing, what we were reading in our previous classes, where Portia is giving her best. First and foremost, she is not direct to the point. She is trying to make this Shylock do some merciful deeds, understood, by sympathizing on Shylock and taking back his dream of taking that pound of flesh, understood. But as I said, Shylock is very adamant. He doesn't want to listen. He has already made up his mind to take the pound of flesh, even like they are ready to offer 3 times the amount that he has given, 3,000 ducats. He believes nothing can change him from taking that pound of flesh. Okay, yes. So what happens further? And then what happens on that note, Antonio is already prepared himself under the doom of under the threshold of Shylock, because he knows very well that he is his rival, biggest rival, and when he is getting his full chance of revenging, definitely he will never step back. This is his best option, this is the best chance. So he has already set up his mind, and he believes that it's better to die beforehand, seeing myself wrinkles of my face. I'm growing old, and yes, because he has already shipwrecked, he has already become bankrupted because all his ships got wrecked, okay, that we are sailing. So he believes that I am lucky enough to die. I am lucky enough to die before facing all those consequences, okay. And his only worry is that, and he also requests Bassanio to give a proper message, proper this information about how he was with his husband to Portia, okay. And also a great work for that is to write some good words in the tomb of where he is where he will be buried, okay. So Bassanio says, I have a wife who is dear to me as my life itself, but I do not prize my wife, my life, and all the rest of the world as valuable as your life. So though I have a wife who is very dear to me, more than my life, but if I compare you, you are different, you are also the part of me, understood. That can never count, that can never, your presence in my life can never be valued by anything, understood. You have a special place that can never be changed, even by my wife also. She has her own place, you have your own stand. So I am ready to lose all, give all the things that a devilish Jew, if thereby I could save you from his clutches. He said, no, I will give drop of blood, I will give everything what he wants, but I will never let Shylock come and harm you, okay. These are for 2 reasons. First is the money that Antonio was Antonio had asked was for Bassanio's requirement, and secondly, they are very good friends. None of the friend will see his friend dying, especially when it's for himself, right. So that's why Bassanio is really very tensed and is worried. He is saying, I will do anything, understood, from saving you from the clutches of Shylock, this cruel Jew, okay. This is being said by Bassanio. Now Portia, if your wife were present here, she could hardly be glad to hear you say so. And when he says that yes, my wife has a place as well as you are also valuable, Antonio, understood. That time Portia is giving a very good statement. She passes a very good statement, as she is herself wife of Bassanio, okay, who is disguised as a lawyer, Balthazar. So she is telling that if your wife would be here, I think she would be much proud of what you said now, instead of being angry, understood, because you have compared your wife with your friend Antonio. I think your wife would be proud enough. So Portia is a great lady. Okay. So Grisanio, I have a wife whom I solemnly say I love. I wish she were dead and in heaven, so that she could persuade some angel to change the heart of this cruel dog of a Jew. See what Grisanio said, who is the companion of this Bassanio, is telling that, and even I have a wife, I really wish that if my wife would be dead, she would go to reach the angel, and that angel would come and change this mind of this cruel Jew, and so that he changes mind and he leaves my friend, that is Antonio. So that means he has already killed his wife also, understood? Grisanio. So Nerissa, now on that note, Nerissa is the wife of Grisanio, who is also disguised as a lawyer's attendant. Okay. What is she saying is, she is saying that it is well that you say so in your absences. You said that when your wife is absent really, because if she would be here, she would really feel bad, because you have almost killed your wife, right? You are wishing for your wife's dead, to be your wife dead. For had she heard your words, there would have been no peace in your house. Yes, and she is just giving a mockery type. She is saying, and if your wife, because if your wife would be present here when you are passing this statement, what would happen is, there would be no peace. That means there would definitely be a fight in your house. Okay. Because you are giving, I said that you are almost killing your wife. So this is wrong, no? Okay. Shylock to himself. This is a soliloquy, speaking himself. It's out of stage. Well, Christian husbands are like this. This is how they love their wives. And he's saying, yeah, Christian husbands are like this. See, they are wishing for their wives dead. He's saying it himself. I have a daughter. I wish she had married a Jew, even a descendant of a Jewish robber, barbarous, rather than a Christian. Saying, and I also have a wife. I also have a daughter. I really wished my daughter to get married with a like poor Barabbas. Barabbas means a kind of what is that character? That means who is very cheap kind of, not even a human. Okay, if my wife, if my daughter Jessica would get married to this Jew who is very weak, who is like not to be compared to be a human also, who is like that, then I think I would be much more proud of my daughter, rather than she got married to a Christian, which I do not really like. Okay. Aloud he is saying this. But we are wasting time. I pray that the sentence should now be pronounced. He is saying really waste of time to talk about all this. Okay. So it is better we change the topic, and my justice to be granted. My justice is to get the pound of flesh. Portia, a pound of Antonio's flesh is yours. The law allows it and the court gives it to you. Okay, pound of flesh is all yours. Portia says this. See, merchant's flesh is thine. Thine means yours. Okay. And again Shylock appreciates Portia, saying you are really impartial. You are not like partial to anybody. You are neutral. Understood? And you are an honest judge. That proves you are honest. Now Portia, and you must cut off the flesh from his chest. He said, okay, you have already demanded that you want a like flesh that has to be cut near from the chest. Now the law allows it to the cut, decrease your claim, and the law also allows. If you see the law really allows you to go and to get the pound of flesh from wherever you have chosen. Shylock, you are most learned judge. This is indeed a fair judgment. To Antonio saying, come, get yourself ready. He is saying, okay, you get ready. I am coming with the knife to cut off your pound of flesh near from your chest. Okay. Then Portia says, wait a little. When he is about to hit his heart, Antonio's, then Portia is telling, wait a little. There is something more to be said. Wait, I will tell some more statement. This bond does not give you a single drop of blood, but it says about the flesh, it never says about the blood. Okay, you want the flesh of his to be taken, right? But it is not mentioned that what will you do when there is a single blood that comes out. What will happen of that blood? That is not mentioned here. Now this term specifically a pound of flesh, as it only says the pound of flesh. So, take a pound of flesh which is due to you, but if in cutting the flesh you shed a single drop of Grecian blood, yes, what will happen? All your property, your land, your goods, everything that will be taken by the law of Venus, okay, shall be confiscated by the government. The government will take everything. Yeah, you can take the pound of flesh from wherever you want, but you, if any, even you shed a drop of blood, definitely when a human's body gets cut, definitely blood will come out. So, this is impossible, no? So, this is a great trick that is being played by Portia at the correct moment. So, Gressanio, what an honest judge. Now that this is called the tables have turned, yeah. Now the tables has turned towards Antonio and their party, okay, Gressanio and so many. They are really happy now and they are again praising Jessica, who is the disguised lawyer, judge, lawyer, okay. Note Jew, what he says, what a learned judge you are, Shylock, is that the law? He is saying, does the law says like that? Portia, you may yourself see the law, okay, if you do not believe, you yourself see the law. As you demand justice, rest assured that you will have justice more of it than you will possibly have to like to have. He is saying, if you go against the law, you will not believe what will happen, you have no other options, right. So, Gressanio again saying, what a learned judge, really, you are exceptional, okay. They again being like who is being they are really happy on the judgment, because now they are almost to save Antonio. Okay, Shylock, I accept this offer then, pay me thrice the amount of the blood and let Antonio go. Now he says, okay, I am ready to give take 3,000 ducats, thrice of 3,000 ducats, this was given earlier, okay. He is saying, and I will free Antonio, I will not take the pound of flesh, Shylock says. On that note, Bassanio is ready to give, but again Portia says, wait, the Jew will have the strict justice, no, do not hurry, he shall have only the forfeiture of that bond and nothing else. He is saying, no, forfeiture means the wrongdoer, that means what he was demanding for that pound of flesh, okay, he will have nothing, he will only have that, he will not have his money also now. Gressanio, now you see Jew, what an impartial judge, what a learned judge. He was continuously saying that, no, Shylock was continuously passing that comment, what a learned judge. Now the same thing is, that means they are they are now got the best chance to pull the leg of Shylock, no, best time. So, everybody does that. Okay, Portia, therefore, you make ready to cut off the pound of flesh, but you must neither shed a drop of blood nor cut more or less than exactly a pound of flesh. There is a balancing this also, okay, which will balance. It should be exact a pound, not more or less. Even that hair, no, even that hair will also make a difference, then your property will be seized by the government, and also the bloods, this element is there. And a part of grain or even a fraction of that 20th part, nay the scales turn the weight of a single hair, you will be put to death and your property will be seized by the state, because you are almost to kill a person, right, because that is nearby to the chest. So, he is saying, if that balance will little bit also it like changes its movement, no, then definitely you will be killed and your property will also go. So, huge risk. Okay, Gressanio, a second Daniel indeed. Now, Hethan, I have got you in my clutches, saying, yes, now I got in your clutches, now I will beat like whatever you have done, no, I will feed fat the ancient grudge, again the same. Portia, why does the Jew hesitate? Take a pound of flesh due to your under the pound. No, why you are hesitating? You were really like eager to take the pound of flesh, you were almost to like your blunt, you had already sharpened your knife also, now carry on. Shylock, give me the sum of money I lent and I will go away. Okay, give me 3,000 ducats and I will move. Bassanio, here the money is ready for you, here it is. Bassanio is offering also, because he is very much eager to free his friend. Okay. Portia said, he has refused to take the money in the open court, he can have nothing but justice and the penalty mentioned in the body, saying he will only get what is the penalty is, all his money, property will be seized, okay, because he is a foreigner and he has almost killed a Venetian, that means Antonio, that is against the law. Okay, nobody can, as Antonio is the citizen of Venice. Now what he is telling is that in the open court he had refused, so now he has no option of taking that money. So he has to take that pound of flesh only. Grayson is really happy. Grayson is saying he is a wise judge as Daniel is as a god, Greek god. Okay, he is the second Daniel, here a Jew. I am grateful to you for teaching me the right word, Daniel. Okay, Shylock, can I not have even the amount I lent? Okay, then I will not have the amount also what I have given, offered 3000 Portia. No, you shall have only the penalty mentioned in the bond, and that also at the risk of your life. They said that penalty is that pound of flesh, and that property will be seized. You will only have that. What do you want? Shylock, well then let him have the devil of the money. I will not wait to hear more arguments. And then what is the need to stand here? I will not stand. I am going now. Actually, he is scared now because he is now everything has turned. No, he will be in problem. So he wants to leave the place and go. Portia is not leaving. Portia says, wait, Jew. The law has yet another charges against you. I let down in the laws of Venice that if it be proved that a foreigner has directly or indirectly made an attempt on the life of a Venetian, then half of the foreigner's property shall be given to the party against whom he have plotted, and the other half shall be confiscated by the state of Venice. As I said, no, he is a foreigner and he is the citizen, okay, Antonio. So if it happens that he comes and tries to harm, so almost to kill, okay. So if he does that, then half of his property will be given to that to the victim. Okay, victim is here who Antonio. So half of the property of Antonio, Shylock, will be given to Antonio, and half will be taken to the state. And the life of the accused is Shylock, will be under the mercy of Duke. Now what Duke will do, that will only, Duke is the judge. And there shall be no appeal against the Duke decisions, and you cannot appeal. The whole decision lies in Duke's hand. Now I say you are guilty of this offence, because it is clear on evidence that you have tried to take the life of Antonio indirectly as well as directly. Now this is made very clear that you want to kill Antonio both directly as well as indirectly. Okay, now you cannot, that is why you are trying to run, understood, because you know you are wrong. So liable to the punishment that I have already mentioned, and you are liable, you have to get that punishment, because you are, this is only the revenge, this is not according to the law. Therefore I ask you to fall on your knees before the Duke and beg his pardon. So what you can do is, you can beg to this to the Duke to have pardon, understood. He can only save you, otherwise your life is also in the hand of, that means you are living, your property will be going, even your life will be decided whether you are to be live alive, or you will be killed, or you will be taken under prison, whatever, that will be decided by the state. Okay, this is the climax, this is the table turning situation. There are a lot of questions that may come. Okay, so great lines, very important lines, as I say. So what you need to do is, need to see the video and again read it line wise, and also note for the question answers. Further we will be doing in the next class. Okay, so till then, do take care. Thank you.